As more woodworkers seek flexibility in their projects, portable tools are becoming essential. Find out about tools that make your work easier so you can spend more time making things and less time cleaning up. All product links are listed in the description below. Number 20. Woodpecker Hex Scale Rule. Imagine having a single rule that lets you measure from either end in both inches and millimeters, while also allowing you to instantly locate the center of any object. That's exactly what the Hex Scale Rule from Woodpeckers delivers. Designed with convenience and versatility in mind, this compact tool combines 6 essential graduations, drawing inspiration from the timeless triangular drafting rules. It streamlines your workflow by consolidating all necessary measurements into one easy-to-use tool, saving you from the hassle of switching between multiple rulers or recalibrating measurements. Plus, its distinctive shape and precise laser engraved scales are perfectly aligned with your material, virtually eliminating parallax errors and giving you confidence in the accuracy of every measurement. Number 19. Blue OPTIMA Chisel Plane. This tool is built for precision in tricky spots. Whether you're trimming plugs, paring end grain, or cleaning up glue squeeze out, its standout feature is the elevated handle, which keeps the iron flat for exceptional accuracy on detailed tasks. The carefully crafted iron, serving as the tool's soul, is easy to set up with a blade screw and registration pin that ensure precise alignment. With a shallow bevel angle, it's perfect for paring end grain fibers smoothly. Made from cryogenically treated a 2-tool steel, the iron is expertly ground, lapped, and polished for a sharp, durable edge. The rigid aluminum body is complemented by a refined hardwood grip in either cocobolo or resin-infused figured maple, finished in anodized black or blue spruce green. Number 18. Woodpecker Auto Angle. If you've ever found drilling angled holes to be challenging, the Auto Angler is here to change that. This tool is designed to make angled drilling precise and easy, with a target line engraved right on the base to help you line up your angles perfectly. But it's not just about the target line. The adjustable fence fits snugly on all 4 sides, giving you steady support no matter how you're drilling. Plus, with its optional flip stops and extension rods, you can position each hole exactly where you need it. Just align the index marks on the Auto Angler base, set your preferred angle on the protractor, and you're ready to drill. Number 17. Woodpecker Indexable Mini Double Scar. This innovative tool features a double square, allowing it to function both as a standard square and a miter square, making it incredibly versatile for various woodworking tasks. Its design is more streamlined than that of a traditional combination square, making it easier to handle and store. One of the standout features is the shoulder, which provides additional stability when positioning the square on the edge of your workpiece. To extend the square, simply push it with your thumb. It smoothly slides out while keeping the head level for accurate readings. Additionally, the blade can be easily adjusted to any full-inch mark, offering convenience during measurements. For those concerned about storage, the Indexable Mini also comes with a wall-mountable bracket, ensuring that the tool is always accessible and neatly organized when not in use. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe. Number 16. Trend Easy Scribe. A versatile tool ideal for scribing worktops, panels, walls, shelves, alcoves, skirtings, plinths, floors, and even tiles. Its fast, single-handed adjustments allow you to efficiently complete projects without sacrificing precision. This tool is notable for its accuracy and meticulous design, featuring a built-in, replaceable 0.7mm thick 2H grade flat lead that produces a fine, easily followable line for a perfect fit every time. An extendable steel guide plate helps maintain parallelism with the scribing surface, enhancing overall accuracy. The guide can extend up to 50mm, allowing it to reach tight spaces and ensure a flawless fit, which is especially beneficial for fitting doors to linings and frames where a narrow parallel gap is essential. Additionally, the Easy Scribe's wide guide plate enables it to track along edges, facilitating consistent parallel lines. Number 15. AARY Angle Clamping Fixture. Working with angles other than 90 degrees can often pose challenges, but Woodpecker's very angle clamping fixture simplifies this process. This innovative clamp is designed to hold 2 pieces of material securely at any angle up to 180 degrees, making it highly versatile for various projects. It comes in 2 sizes and offers 3 different angle ranges, providing an extensive clamping capability to suit different needs. Each clamp is equipped with a laser engraved scale for precise measurements. Using the very angle is straightforward. Simply Simply loosen the ratcheting knob, adjust the fixture to your desired angle, and then lock the knob in place to secure it. Number 14. Sliding bevel gauge. When precise measurements are essential in woodworking, like when marking dovetails or copying angles, Woodpecker's sliding bevel gauges are the go-to tool. These gauges feature an innovative locking mechanism that makes it easy to adjust and lock in your chosen angle securely, so it stays firmly in place until you're ready to move it. The locking knob, thoughtfully designed to sit comfortably between your thumb and finger, gives a responsive feel, allowing you to adjust tension with ease. Inside the gauge, a wedge mechanism enhances your grip strength, so with just a light press, the blade stays tightly in place. If you haven't checked out 20 ingenious tools you must buy on Amazon, now is the perfect time to do so. Check it out for some great ideas. Number 13. Pocket compass. These pocket-sized compasses represent a notable improvement over traditional larger beam compasses. They feature two precision-machined telescoping sections that securely lock into place with a simple twist. Equipped with laser-engraved imperial and metric scales, as well as a pivot hole on one side, these compasses make it effortless to draw accurate circles. Unlike the cumbersome traditional compasses, these compact tools fit comfortably in your apron, eliminating the discomfort caused by oversized pocket compasses. Number 12. Drill guide. Have you ever struggled with drilling and ended up with uneven results? The Woodpecker Autoline Drill Guide is designed to help you achieve drill press level accuracy wherever you are. This innovative tool features an adjustable collar that limits the drill's travel, giving you full control over the drilling depth. One of its standout features is its compatibility with any standard drill driver, making it highly versatile for various drilling types without the need for additional fences or attachments. Additionally, it includes a built-in Allen key for easy removal of the rods whenever maintenance or adjustments are needed. With the Autoline Drill Guide, you can consistently create perfectly straight and perpendicular holes exactly where you want them. Number 11. BOSCH GOF 130. With the help of this machine, routing tasks are handled with remarkable ease thanks to the efficient motor of this router, which includes a constant speed function. It performs exceptionally well on hardwood, softwood, MDF, and plywood, delivering impressive speed and precision. Bosch's constant speed technology ensures smooth operation, allowing the tool to exceed its performance limits effortlessly. The innovative plunge design features durable materials that reduce dust intake and prevent tool overload, even in harsh and dirty working conditions, allowing for over 10,000 operations without failure. Additionally, the router offers multiple methods for changing bits, enabling users to either manually use wrenches or quickly utilize the spindle lock for fast and convenient adjustments. Number 10. HOTO Self-Lock Tape Measure. This tape measure makes measuring easy with its innovative self-locking blade mechanism, which ensures your measurements are accurate without needing to lock it manually. Retracting the blade is simple, thanks to a strong blade spring and an ergonomic corner button that allows you to control how fast it retracts. This not only boosts accuracy, but also helps prevent damage to the tape. With a maximum length of 3 meters and a sturdy straight blade extending 1.5 meters, it offers the reach needed for various measuring tasks. The matte finish on the blade reduces glare, making it easy to read measurements clearly. Safety is also prioritized, featuring a durable, non-sharp, high-flexibility grade 55 steel blade coated with nylon. Plus, the ABS plastic case is designed to be water-repellent and shock-absorbent. Number 9. Milwaukee M18 Plunge Saw. With its powerful power state brushless motor, the plunge track saw reaches an impressive 5,600 RPM, delivering top-notch finish quality and clean cuts even through tough hardwoods. It excels in dust collection, capturing over 90% of debris while still being portable and precise, which is what users really want in a plunge saw. Thanks to RedLink Plus intelligence, it offers maximum performance and safeguards against overload, overheating, and over-discharge, ensuring it lasts on the job. The M18 Red Lithium High Output X C6.0 battery provides outstanding durability, giving you more cuts per charge than many competitors. Plus, the variable speed dial gives you complete control over your cutting speed, and the smooth pivoting plunge motion allows for accurate plunge cuts with the right depth every time. Number 8. DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver. This compact yet powerful tool is designed to deliver impressive torque and speed, making it perfect for driving screws and fastening various materials with ease. One of the standout features of this impact driver is its brushless motor, which enhances efficiency and extends the tool's lifespan. You'll appreciate the 3-speed settings, allowing you to adjust the power output based on your specific needs. It also offers exceptional comfort, as its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver even during extended use. Plus, the integrated LED light illuminates your workspace, ensuring you can work effectively in dimly lit areas. Number 7. Makita 18 VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. This tool is a fantastic addition to any toolkit, known for its versatility in handling a wide range of tasks. I love its lightweight design, which makes it easy to handle, especially during long projects. The battery capacity warning system activates an indicator light and is engineered to automatically stop the motor, notifying you when it's time to recharge the battery. The cordless feature provides the freedom to work without being tethered to an outlet, making it super convenient for tight spaces or outdoor projects. Equipped with a powerful motor that runs smoothly and efficiently, it allows you to tackle jobs quickly without compromising performance. Plus, with its variable speed settings, you can easily adjust the speed to suit the specific task at hand, ensuring you achieve the perfect finish every time. Number 6. Dual Blade Circular Saw. The innovative dual blade design of this tool enhances stability and prevents material deformation, making it capable of cutting even delicate items like eggs. It also functions as an electric metal cutter, easily handling various materials including wood, plastic, composite board, and sheet metal up to 0.078 inches thick, without the need to change blades. Additionally, its diamond blade allows for effortless cutting of tile and marble. Weighing only 11.6 pounds, this compact saw is driven by an 8-amp copper motor that delivers speeds of 5,500 RPM, providing efficient cuts with a maximum depth of 1.25 inches. Safety features like a trigger lock and a dust extraction port enhance the user experience, while its lightweight design allows for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue and making it comfortable for extended use. Number 5. ANNOYTOOLS 500-watt CNC router machine. This versatile and user-friendly tool offers powerful performance for both woodworking and metalworking tasks. Constructed with high-strength aluminum, it features an 80mm C-axis travel upgrade and a 500-watt spindle, making it ideal for drilling and engraving on various metals. Additionally, it supports laser module integration for added versatility. Safety is a priority, with 6 limit switches and an emergency stop button, while manual hand wheels enable precise positioning. Pre-drilled holes allow for future upgrades, keeping your machine up to date. Powered by open source firmware Gerbil 1.1F, it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Gerbil-based software, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Number 4. Equal Space Divider. What sets this tool apart is its unique movement. It operates perpendicularly to the spacing line, enabling you to draw across a hatch instead of merely marking individual points. Once you've locked in the desired spacing, you can easily replicate the pattern as many times as you need, ensuring consistency in your work. Durability is a key feature of this space divider, as it's constructed from 301 full hard stainless steel, which guarantees it can withstand heavy use without compromising its integrity. For added convenience, the Woodpecker Equal Space Driver comes with a wall-mountable ratchet, making storage easy and keeping the tool readily accessible whenever you need it. Number 3. THORVALD 6-in-1 Master Square. This handy carpenter's tool is designed to make your woodworking projects easier and more efficient, helping you save both time and effort. It packs 6 essential tools into one: a square, protractor, marking gauge, ruler, drill gauge, and wrench. Made from durable 4mm thick aluminum, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The square has precise 1/16 inch graduations, so you can trust that your measurements will be spot on. Plus, it comes with a 2-in-1 carpenter's pencil that has a removable grip for extra convenience. So no problem if you're a seasoned professional or just a DIY enthusiast, this versatile tool is a must-have for your toolkit. Number 2. Cross Dowel Jig. Next up we have Universal Cross Dowel Jig, a must-have tool for anyone looking to build strong, high-quality furniture with ease. This innovative jig makes it simple to create sturdy joints using cross dowels, which are reliable hardware pieces with standard threads that run through a steel dowel. To use it, you just drill intersecting holes in one piece of wood and match them with its counterpart. This method allows woodworkers to achieve incredibly strong joints, making it ideal for knockdown furniture, those pieces you can take apart and put back together easily, and other workshop projects. With the Universal Cross Dowel Jig, you can assemble and disassemble your furniture as many times as you need, all while ensuring it remains durable and stable. Number 1. WORX Nitro 20 Volt Brad Nail Gun. This nail gun is equipped with Nail Force air impact technology, allowing it to fire up to 80 brad nails per minute and provide up to 500 shots on a single 2.0 amp-hour battery charge. It features a tool-free jam release that quickly clears any nail jams, ensuring uninterrupted work. Adjusting the nail depth is easy with the tool-free depth adjustment dial, and its narrow nose allows for a clear line of sight, complemented by dual LED lights for visibility in low light conditions. With 2 firing modes, bump mode for rapid firing and single fire mode for accurate sequential nail placement, this nail gun is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for efficiency and precision in their fastening tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!